Hey everyone, welcome back to the NBF Chemistry series. In part 2, we explored the definition of organic chemistry, its significance, and how it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Today, we'll be shifting our focus to another branch of chemistry, inorganic chemistry. So, let's get started. Inorganic chemistry covers everything that isn't a part of organic chemistry. It is basically the chemistry of non living beings. And by definition, you know that organic chemistry contains mostly carbon containing compound. So naturally, in inorganic chemistry, most of its compound will not be containing carbon as its major constituent. Now, inorganic chemistry basically deals with all the elements and compounds that make up non-living things like metals, gases, and minerals. First up, we have metals. Metals such as bricks made up of gold, silver spoon, aluminium soda cans, and copper wires are all non living materials that fall under the category of inorganic chemistry. Next up, we have gases. Gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are also a part of this field. Next up, we have minerals. Minerals that we found from rocks, from mountains, are another such example that come under the category of non-living beings and which falls in the field of inorganic chemistry. For example, we have two ores written here, calcite and mica. Calcite is made up of limestone and marbles, while mica is made up of silicates. Limestone is basically made up of bicarbonates and carbonates. As we studied when we were studying organic chemistry, that everything is studied under organic chemistry that is made up of carbon except carbonates and bicarbonates. So those carbonates and bicarbonates fall under this category of inorganic chemistry. So there might be some things that are made up of carbon in inorganic chemistry, but carbon is not the major constituent. Next up, we have mica that is made up of silicates, which you can understand from the periodic table that it might be made up of silicon, and silicates are also not living beings. Now that you understood what is all is there in organic chemistry, let's see what your book has to say about this topic. So the definition of inorganic chemistry is simply that it deals with elements in their compounds except organic compounds. And what are organic compounds? They are simply the compounds that have carbon as their major constituent. Now, the essential question that you should consider while studying inorganic chemistry is what distinguishes organic compounds from inorganic compounds? I've told that already. And how does periodic table helps to organize elements? Now, the organization of elements in the periodic table along with the study of their properties and interaction, it is all done in the inorganic chemistry field. These are not studied under organic chemistry. Okay. So the daily life application, one very major daily life application that comes from the inorganic chemistry is the use of rechargeable and very efficient batteries that are made up of lithium ion. Lithium is again used by in many appliances, for example, like power tools or wireless headphones or electrical storage devices and even vehicles as well. So this is the daily life application of inorganic chemistry. In the next lecture, we will study another important branch of chemistry, that is the physical chemistry. So stay tuned.